So what is IoT? So most people or most discussions, people are talking about IoT being something that you may be able to unlock a door or switch on a fan or switch on a light or maybe switch on your car sitting at home, right? But and the fact of the matter is these things were possible even 20 years back. People were automating households, and lights were coming on and doing things automatically, right? And you could switch on uh, a, a light in your house using a touch phone, or not a touch phone but the DTMF pulse phones that you had before. So these things were there even 20 years back, right? And so what's new? How has things changed? What is IoT really? And the thing is, IoT is more about uh, not just switching on a light or anything like that, but giving life to things, getting the physical things that are around you, being part of the internet that we know of today, right? Being able to interact as humans, being able to interact with those things as if and as if they were part of the entire system, and they would talk to you and they can actually do things for you on their own. It's not about us just sending some data out and receiving it and looking at it, but it's much more intelligent than that. You get more stuff from it. There's a lot of smartness in the whole thing, and that's what IoT is. So it's more getting devices, making them more intelligent, and having them interact with the entire environment and people around without, is ideal, but even with minimal human computer interaction, they're able to interact with you, right? So it's not only about collecting data, but doing smart things with the data. But I'm just going to run you through an example, right, to get you a feel for what it could be, right? So imagine when, let me take a step back and let me say that, IoT is just not a single technology, right? It's not a single technology. It's not a single technology. It's just a convergence of various different technologies coming in, right? It's multiple technologies coming together and converging, and hence you have the IoT. I'll give you examples on the way on what I mean by a thing and all of that. So so it is not it's not a single technology. We've done that.